All right, so we are about to move out of this house, and we needed to remove these handles from our fridge so that we can fit it through our door frame when we move it. GE has, I guess, two ways that they attach these handles. I think we have the cheaper version. So usually you'll see if there's like an Allen key that needs to be used either right here or, sometimes it's on the bottom. Our doors do not have an Allen key to remove these. And so the other option is essentially they have to be, knocked loose. They sit on these kind of white plastic clips. So I'm going to show you how to just remove these really quickly if your handles don't have that Allen key attachment. All right, so using the dead blow hammer, you're going to lightly tap on the bottom while pushing the handle in, and it should pop out just like that. And you will do this for both sides for the top two doors, and then I'll show you how to do the bottom handle in the next shot. So per the installation manual, what it shows for this type of handle on the bottom, you will want to hit it on the right hand side of the fridge, hitting it to the left side, and you will have dislodged it from those white clips. Essentially, see, these are the white clips that hold it in place, and then just kind of got like these little grooves on the back that pop that that handle in place. So now it will fit through the door, and you can still open it even without those handles. But hopefully that helps. If you have any questions, feel free to ask, and I can definitely try to answer them as best as I can. All right, thank you guys. Bye.